Hi, I'm Dr. Kevin Lau, founder of ScolioLife. Our modern life encourages us to remain inactive for long periods. While it may be inevitable, for someone with scoliosis, sitting for long periods can worsen your condition, leading to more pain and even complications such as breathing problems, heart and digestive issues. Thus, it's important to introduce some daily activities to maintain and prevent problems for your scoliosis. This is where ScolioDisc comes along. It's even a great tool for warming up your spine prior to scoliosis exercises. ScolioDisc also helps with improving your postural balance mechanism by strengthening and stabilizing the spine, and is a fun way to keep active while sitting on a chair over a prolonged period of time. The anti-slip exterior provides grip, and the textured surface stimulates the body and gives a nice massaging effect. Just place the ScolioDisc on any chair and sit on the disc with both feet firmly on the ground. With this, you can rock your hips forward and backwards, side to side, or twist your torso while sitting down. To learn about the ScolioDisc and more, head over to our website, ScolioLife.com today.